Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I always love doing makeup tutorials. I feel like that's all I've been doing recently here. But I really do love them and I always come up with some new kind of crazy idea. And hopefully this one looks good. I kind of was just looking through some inspirational photos on Instagram and I saw a lot of people doing different color inner corners because normally we always do very light like MAC Nylon or Makeup Geek Shimma Shimma, but having a color inner corner I think was a really cool concept. So I thought of doing purple gold and a little bit of like a pinky kind of color, kind of just to incorporate a little bit of the summertime and color and everything like that. I am going to be taking this off immediately because it is so freaking hot today that it is like 90 degrees, but with humidity it feels like 105. So if I go out in this, not only is it all going to sweat off, but I'm probably going to break out like crazy. So I'm gonna go take pictures quickly and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope also that the lighting was good. I am in the living room and it's like 1:30 in the afternoon, so the light comes in at this time. So I hope I didn't look too orange or too all over the place. I'll try and adjust it a little bit with editing if I did. So I hope you guys are able to see the way this video and this look turned out. So if you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so as always, to start off this look, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original, and then I'm going to blend that out with my fingers. So the first palette we're going to use today is the Tartelette palette, the first one, the original, which is the best. I'm taking the color all the way in the upper left, and this is going to be our brow bone highlight. So I'm taking this brush by Crown Brush, just applying that right underneath the brow bone, and then blending it down. And then going in with the mauve color in this palette, this is going to go right into our crease. I'm just going to go back and forth, really make sure that this color is nice, soft, and blended out. I am also going to go in with a little bit of the brown in this palette, the really nice light one right there. And this is going to go right into the crease as well. So I actually mixed both because I didn't want to do a complete mauve color in the crease. I wanted to add a little bit more warmth. So going in with that brown, I'm just going to go back and forth and just really make sure that the two colors are blended together and that there are no harsh lines as always. The next color we're going to go in with is the really nice purple. It's kind of, I'm going to call it the medium purple for this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and place this right in the outer corner. You guys know me, I love to layer shadows. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer purples and going light to dark. So like I said, this is going to be our medium one. And this is going to go back and forth right in the outer corner. And I am going to go ahead and bring this into the crease as well. But I am going to start in the outer corner and then going back with a big fluffy brush. I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Now we're going to take the darkest purple in the palette, and this is going to go right into the outer corner. I am going to bring it into the crease as well because we will be doing a cut crease later, but I am focusing the majority and the darkest part of this pigment in the outer corner of my lid. And after you get that to your liking, we're then going to go ahead and go in with our LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural. And I'm going to be using this MAC brush. And this is going to cut our crease. And once we go ahead and apply the concealer down, I'm going in with this gold by Colourpop. It is in Cheap Date. I don't know if they make it anymore. I'll link it down below if they do. But any gold that you guys have will do. I just thought I would change it up a little bit by using a Colourpop shadow. So as you can see, I'm using a little bit of concealer. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this across the lid. When you do a cut crease, you want to go right up to the crease of your lid. You don't want to go above it, and you just want to go ahead and make a really nice line, as you can see. And then going in with that Colourpop shadow, I'm just going to go ahead and not only set the concealer with this shadow, but I'm just also, as you can see, this just color when you put concealer down and then a shadow, it just really bumps up the look, and I just absolutely love it. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Now we're going to go ahead and blend the outer part of the lid with the rest of those purple shadows. So this is where it's going to take a little bit of patience. If you want to, honestly, you can always go ahead before you place the gold down. You can go ahead and do this, but I just went ahead and did the gold first. And I just want to go back and forth, back and forth. You want to make sure that the gold is slightly blended in, or blended in as much as possible with these shadows so that you don't have a harsh line. Like I said, it does take a little bit of time, so don't get frustrated. Take your time, and after you have it semi-blended, as you can see, it's not completely blended. I'm now going to go in with the black from the Tartelette palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a line along my lash line. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that, but I love using black shadow along the lash line just to go ahead and help with blending in the falsies, and it also gives a little bit of smokiness to the look as well. Then going in with the Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette, I'm going to take the shade all the way in the upper right, and this is going to go in the inner third of the lid, as you can see, so it kind of is like an ombre gradient from the purple to the gold to this beautiful color in the inner corner. And then for lashes, we're going to be using the Blinking Beauty lashes in Samantha. I wanted a really nice full pair of lashes, and these ones are one of my favorites. Off camera, I went ahead and did my face makeup just to save some time, but I will share with you guys the products that I used. For primer, I went in with the Becca FirstLight priming filter, which is always one of my favorites. For foundation, I went in with my NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, as well as a drop of the Becca foundation to match. I wanted to go with Tinted Moisturizer since it was so hot this day. Again, using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Natural, and then to go ahead and set everything, I used my RCMA No Color Powder in my little cap, as you can see. For brows, I went in with my Sigma Brow Duo in medium, and now we're going to go ahead and bronze up and finish up the rest of the face on camera. So for bronzer, I'm going in with MAC Deepest Darkest, and I'm going to go ahead and just bronze up the face using this crown brush. I really love this brush, and I think it's really great to bronze up the face, even if you just want to do a nice bronze. I feel like this brush has a really great precision if you don't want to go ahead and do a contour. But today, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up, and then going in with my Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette, I am going to go ahead and contour the face a little bit more. For blush today, I wanted to use one that reminded me a lot of the lid color, or the pink in this lid color, which is NARS Orgasm. So applying this right to the cheeks, which is one of my favorite blush colors. And then for a highlight, I'm using my Persona Cosmetics highlighter in Zuma, which is my brand new favorite. Definitely check out pretty soon. Persona Cosmetics just came out with a YouTube channel, and someone might be making an appearance on it, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on the cheeks, top of the nose, as well as the Cupid's bow. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm going in first with that medium purple shade and taking a pencil brush by Sigma. I'm just going to go ahead and layer this down on the lower lash line. I've never realized how green my eyes look until this video. Really nice. Then going in with the dark purple, I'm just going to go ahead and really darken the lower lash line because, one, I love dark smoky eyes, and two, I kind of wanted to just mimic what is on the upper lid. So I'm going from outer corner all the way to inner corner, really making sure this is nice and smoky. And you also want to make sure that you connect the upper purple, sorry, I was going to say brown, the upper purple color to the lower lash line. So just connect them right in that outer corner, and just really make sure with your blending brush that everything is nice and blended together. I'm just going back a little bit and touching up some of that black just to go ahead and help blend the lashes in a little bit more, and I just wanted to add a little bit more black to the lash line. And then we're going to go ahead and do some eyeliner. So I'm taking the black eyeliner, any black liner that you have will do. I'm going to put this right in the waterline, as you see me doing here, and then going in with my Tarte Mascara, I'm going to go ahead and just apply this on the upper lashes, my natural ones. You don't want to go ahead and apply too much on the falsies because they are minks, so you don't want to go ahead and put mascara on false lashes like that. Then taking that pink shade, I'm going to go ahead now and bring this right into the inner corner of our eyes. I'm also going to go ahead and blend it into the inner corner of the lower lash line, as you see me doing here, just so that everything blends together as one. I think it's just a really beautiful color, and I just love the way that this look looks. I think it just looks so different right now here as I'm doing it than it did in the beginning of this video, which I really love. I'm going to go in with just a slight touch of this color just to really emphasize that inner corner just a little bit bit more. And then we're going to go ahead and apply some purple to blend the lower lash line in with that pink, as you can see me doing here. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm using so many shadows, but it's just a little added touch. You don't need to do it, honestly. Then to finish up the eye look, I am going to go in with mascara for the lower lashes. You want to put on a good amount. And then after that, the eyes are complete. So we're going to go on to the lips. I want to keep them very simple, very easy. So I am going in with MAC Whirl for the lip liner. And then for lip gloss, I'm going in with this new gloss by Becca. This is the one by Chrissy Teigen and Becca in the shade Beach Bum. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you did, please make sure you get a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.